series. The previous session I explained about what is local variable and global variable, and what is the role of local variable and global variable in Python series. Today we are going to continue the functions topic. Okay, so we are going to see the topic today called predefined function in Python with demo. The other name of predefined function is built-in functions. Let's go for the demo here. This session definitely will help you to learn the functions. Around 10 functions there. Let's see one by one. And you see here. Before that, we had know what kind of ideas we have about built-in functions. So these are the thing. What you can say means the Python interpreter has a number of functions that are always available for use. These functions are called built-in functions. Some of the predefined functions are we are going to say here. Other name is built-in function. So interpreter has a number of functions. So we are going to see some of the important with this example in the Python ideally 3.8.0 version. Let's go here. The functions called ABS is there, bin is there, bool is there, director is there, format is there. What is the ABS here? It returns absolute value of a given number. And bin, it returns a binary version of a number. And bool, where returns the boolean value of the specified object. And directory, DAR, shortly returns a list of the specified objects, properties and methods. Formats here, specified value. And like this we have ID, where returns the ID of the object, and length, it returns the length of an object, and maximum returns the largest item in an iteratable, and minimum it returns the smallest item than iteratable. At last integer, where returns an integer number. Let's go for execution one by one. The syntax and what is the purpose and what is the role of this built-in function in the Python. So first one is the ABS, where it is used to get the absolute or positive value of a given number. For example, syntax is ABS of x. For example, you are giving some value where you give ABS of x and print of x, it will print the exact value. Example, I am going to see the example here. So I am going to give the negative number, that is minus 7.25, but it will print the positive value, where that is the use of ABS function. Let's go for execution here. So just the syntax where I am going to declare x equal to ABS of minus 7.25. So simple and easy. Just go to enter. So I want to print and check the value of x now in Python series. Print of ax. Enter. Yeah, we are getting 7.25. Just now I told you, so we are to print the absolute value of x here. Similarly, next function is called bin, where here the bin function returns the binary version of a specified integer. The result always start with a prefix 0b, where the syntax is bin of m. So simple one, where it returns the binary version of a specified integer. We are using some time. The syntax is, example is x equal to bin of 36. So the 0b will be there. Let's go for execution. So I can give x equal to bin of 36 or bin of 20, whatever one you can give, and check the output here. Enter. So again I want to print of x. Yeah. So it comes with the 0b, and the binary equivalent value of 36 is 100, 100. Like that it will print. Next. Bool is there, where it returns the boolean value of a specified object here. The object will always return the true. Syntax is bool of object. Parameter description, where object is any object like string, list, number or anything. So let's go for example here. For example, assume that we have a program called p1.py, where I can give, I go type it x equal to bool of 1 and print of x. One by one give Python ideally. You can practice this are in Linux also. Linux or a PyCharm, whatever one you can do. Just I am going to x bool of 1. So when I try to give this one, it will say always say true only. So we will verify it. Yeah, it produces the results true only. So like that you can check the boolean one. Okay. Direct is there, where important one, where directory one is the function where it returns all the properties and methods of the specified object without the values. Exam syntax is directory of object. So example you can see. So here we have to mix the concept of class and object. So simple only. For example, I am going to create a program called class person dir.py, where I am going to give the name is called John, age is equal to 36, country is called India, and print directory person. So there will be a directory this given by the Python IDE, and also the output will vary. It will print the directory of the given program, where our script here the default value is default value and the data value is different. So I will type it 2 times just to open the program called dir.py, where is the desktop, dir.py. File open, file open, server delay, where we have dir.py. Just check, it's okay, no issue. I am creating again, so just copy paste, I give the example here. So every time whenever try to execute this built-in function with a data object, it will definitely vary based on the Windows or what on there. Time to time it will vary here. So just I am typing here class person name, age, country. So it will going to print the data person where exactly like that. So I am going to give save as. Actually I kept in some other p2.py like that. I am going to give a just save here and I execute now. The output produced successfully, where I save information like class, delta attribute, set attribute, size of, country name, everything is there like that. So like that you can place the data object. Next function called format. The format function what it do, generally it formats a specified value into a specified format. So syntax is formata value comma format, where value the parameters a value that will be formatted. Optional is format specification, where in the specification say how the value should be formatted. So what kind of percentage, suppose you give percentage 0.5, it will give space of percentage something. Let's go for example here. For example, I have to give like this. I have to specify the variable x equal to format of 0.5 comma percentage like that. So it will print the answer like this. Paste and enter. There is no error. Now I want to print the x. So what I am specifying, so it will print with that much zeros, 0.5 and percentage symbol. Go and check it here. Yes, we got a percent symbol with this much zeros. So like that you can easily use the format function. Then the another function called predefined function called id, where it returns a unique ID of the specified object. Here all objects in Python has its own unique ID. Don't forget, in Python series all objects in the Python has its own unique ID is there, and this ID, the ID is assigned to the object when it is created. So when you create object, by default ID created by the Python. Syntax is ID of object. So here for example I am going to create a list where I am giving the information x equal to apple comma banana comma cherry and y is equal to ID of x. I want to know the what is the ID of x here, so I can give y of ID, y is equal to ID of x and print y. So we can execute, try to execute this one and see the answer. So this information will vary, the output vary based on your computer, Windows, Python ID like that. Let's go here and check it out what is specified. So we are creating the list called where in the list you have X, apple, banana, comma, cherry. Then I'm going to give, I want to know the details. Y is equal to id of, that is the phone I'm using here, id of AX. Then I want to print Y, print of Y, print of Y. Just enter. So it printed successfully. The function executed and display number 53997384 like that. So it's also vary based on the ideally and system time to time. Next to the length function. So these are one very simple and easy where it returns the number of items in an object. When the object is string, the length function returns the number of characters in the string. Syntax is length of object, where we have a example. For example, I'm going to create a list where my list equal to apple, orange, comma, cherry, where X equal to len of my list. We have to print the, then I can give print of X, the syntax, then we have to print the list 3R like this. Let's go for execution here. So we are going to create a list where the information apple, orange, cherry will be there. Sorry. So my list we created, there's no trace back error. So you go next line, X equal to len of my list, then I can give print of X. So easy and simple. Then I want now the status print of, I want what I specify, I want now the length of the string. So I can give print of AX and enter, it may print 3. Yes, successfully executed. Because in the list you have 3 elements, in the length of string 3, it will print like this. Number of times you can execute. Then next one, the maximum function where you know it returns the item with the highest value in the iteratable. Syntax is maximum of n1, n2, n3 and so on. How many numbers you can give and check it. Example, we are going to specify the variable where X equal to maximum 5, 10 and print of X. So when I go like this, it print the maximum value of X, that is 10. Then similarly minimum is there where you know it returns the lowest value or the item with the lowest value in an iteratable. Syntax is minimum of n1, n2, n3 where X equal to minimum of 5, 10. So let's go for execution. So simple and easy, minimum and maximum. Copy. So I want print minimum, so I am giving print of X and enter. So we are getting the minimum. Similarly, I want to print X equal to maximum of giving 12, 3. Just example only. Enter. I want print maximum value, so I can give print of X. Yes, it will print the output successfully. Let's go for next one. At last, integer is there. So it's a 1 where it converts the specified value into an integer number. What are the functions that convert the specified value into an integer number? Syntax is int value, base, where value the parameters value stands for a number or a string that can be converted into one integer number. Base is a number representing the number format. By default value is 10. So easy and simple. See, we go for example here. For example, I go to give value is equal to int of 10 and I give to value is equal to int of 10.52. So print integer values value 2. So what will produce the output here? Let's go and check it here. So we are giving some information with the data type here. So in Python, the major plus point, no need of declare data types. If you want, you can declare. So value is equal to int of n. Sorry, int is so I have to avoid a space here. Then I can give value 2 is equal to int of 10.50 Yes. Now I can print the values, value 1 comma value 2. So what is the purpose of int here? It will convert the data type into particular format, that is always integer only. Let's go and check the output here. Whether yes, successfully executed. So it print the values. Value 1 is 10 and value 2 is 10 instead of 10.52, because this is the use of integer format, where integer value is always, if you give 10.5 to whatever there, it will remove, it will leave it and print the integer values like that. So like that you can use the predefined function or built-in function in the Python series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and comment in the Hostbox channel and press bell icon for more updates, and please connect with social media. Thank you.